In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create profit and loss statement.pnl in Zoho Books. A profit and loss, or profit and loss, shows your business's income, expenses, and net profit for a specific period. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to export or share the finished report. Start by signing in to Zoho Books and landing on the dashboard. This is your home base, where you can quickly jump into key features. Look to the left-hand sidebar and open Reports. Reports is where all financial statements live. Inside Reports, find Profit and Loss. Depending on your layout, it may be under Business Overview or Financial Statements. Open it to load a default view of your profit and loss. Think of this page as a live report you can tailor before generating the final version. Before running it, consider customizing the report columns. Use the Customize or Columns option to choose what appears on screen and in the export. Commonly, you'll include the account or category name and the total amount. And you can keep the hierarchical view if you want subtotals grouped neatly. If your list feels long, you can hide zero-value rows to focus on accounts that actually move during the period. Sorting by account name can make it easier to scan. None of these change your accounting data. They only affect how the report is presented. Next, set the reporting period. Choose a preset like this month, last month, quarter, or year. Or pick a custom date range to match your needs, such as your fiscal period. If your organization uses different reporting bases, select cash or accrual, depending on how you recognize revenue and expenses. Double-check the dates and bases here so your numbers match what you intend to analyze or share. When your options look right, click Run Report. The page will refresh with totals for income, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, and your bottom line. Scan the results for anything unexpected, like unusually high expenses or missing revenue accounts. If something seems off, go back to adjust your filters or columns, then run it again. With the report ready, use the icons at the top to share or export. Choose PDF for a polished snapshot, XLSX, or CSV if you want to analyze in a spreadsheet, or print if you need a hard copy. You can also share a link or send it directly to stakeholders from within Zoho Books. And that's it. You've created a clear, professional profit and loss in Zoho Books, tailored to the dates and details you need.